times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. If you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. And if you have, thanks so much. You're one of my little doll babies. Hi, doll baby. How are you? So happy that you are here. I have a collaboration today, and this is with LilyHair. I have collaborated with them once before. I'll link that video down below, and if I remember, I'll link it up in the eye. But today we have a human hair wig topper that we are doing. So I'm just doing the intro. I did another wig topper video, and I used my mom as a model, so she will be my model again. I will include all the deets as to where you can purchase, how much, and you know, the color and all that. But I just want to say, I'm going to insert photos of what this looked like because it actually came to me like wrapped in this beautiful Christmas paper, which I kept, and this little tag here, and also this Christmas ribbon. So I just thought that was such a cute little addition. This is the box that it comes in. Yeah, it doesn't have any of the information in terms of what's in here on the outside of the box. Let's open her up. So the wig topper that I reviewed with my mom last time was synthetic, and this one is human hair. So it'll be interesting to see the difference in everything and what she thinks. But it comes in this beautiful pink silk bag, and it came with all kinds of goodies. That was the other thing. It came with these like, they're reindeer ear hair clips. Let me take them out. Yeah, so they're little like hair clips that are like reindeer ears, so you could be like psh, psh. So I think I'm going to gift these to one of the people that purchases from me on Poshmark, because I like to put little gifts in when I send wigs. So and then there's another set of doe ears, so that is another cute thing. Those are so adorable. So someone is going to get those. It also came with this brush, which is nice. And it also came with these cute little, they're earrings, and they're like, not snowmen. They're have a sweater design on them, and they're trees. I'm going to give this to my boyfriend's mom for Christmas. So that was cute. And then it was all sitting in here. Okay, let's undo the topper. Oh, these bags are so beautiful. Okay, so it says Bionic Scalp Topper, 14 inches, color number 6. Okay, this is what it looks like. Okay, this is human hair. You can see the scalp. I want you to see it is like a see-through scalp, but it does have this topper, but you can see the light through it. There are these 4, I can't remember what those are called, like bendy clips, but there's a name for them. And you can see the hairline there. So yeah, I'm excited to see what this looks like on my mom. My mom has bangs, which I think will be nice because then her natural bangs will come out here, and then this will just be all around. So we will see. Feels really good. I love the dimensional color in there. We'll see what my mom thinks. That's for the introduction. Now you're going to get the clips of putting it on my mom, and I'll either do a voiceover of what she thought, or I will let you hear her talking about what she thought. If you want more videos on toppers and things like this, go ahead and put that down below. If you have a topper from this company and you have some thoughts, put that also down below. All the details about the company are down below. Everything's down below. Okay? And thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.